Hello, welcome to a new class. We continue with our science class. Today we are going to work in page 388 and 389. Okay, this is your teacher, Mrs. Erika Acosta, from Escuela Bilingüe Honduras. We continue working. Please look at your page 388. What do you see? I see a mom and a boy. What are they doing? They are doing bagels. Why it matters making bagels? Wow, take a look inside this kitchen. It's filled with changes in matter as bagels are made. Hands and kitchen tools cause physical changes. Yeast, levadura, is yeast. And heat cause chemical changes. The bakers put yeast, sugar, and flour in warm water to make dough. This causes a chemical change. Then they shape the dough into rings. That's a physical change. When they mix the yeast and the flour and the sugar and they put together, that is a chemical change. But as soon as they have the dough and they made the bagels and they cut the dough, that is a physical change. Okay? Look, the knife is cutting and the boy is doing the rings. Continue. Plop. Heat from the boiling water causes the yeast to give off a gas. This makes the bagels pop off. The water changes the crust and makes it chewy. What's your favorite kind of bagel? Adding a tasty topping like this sesame seed is a physical change. Can you unbake a bagel and get back the original ingredients? No. Their identities have changed. Okay? Do the math. Solve a two-step problem. You can make 100 bagels with 10 pounds of flour. Okay? How many bagels can you make with 20 pounds of flour? Okay. Show your work. Let's solve. Oh, we need Miss Marlene here to help us and do this math problem. Okay. 100 bagels divided by 10. Okay, you need to practice your multiplication tables, okay? 100 divided by 10 pounds of flour equals 10 bagels, okay? It says you can make 100 bagels with 10 pounds of flour. That means I can make 10 bagels with 1 pound of flour. But how many bagels will I have if I do 20 pounds of flour? 20 pounds of flour I multiply by 10. Okay? Okay. 2 times 1, 2, and you just copy the zeros. Okay? I will have 200 bagels. Excellent. The next class we will answer the sum it up and the brain check. We almost finished, or we finished this chapter or this unit. Then we have the review. We're gonna do the review and some extra pages, but then we continue with Unit 10 and we finish our book. You are doing great. You are doing a great job, my kids. I love you. I miss you, and I send you a hug. Bye-bye.